জয় জয় রামকৃষ্ণ বাঞ্ছা কল্পতরু, জয় জয় ভগবান জগতের গুরু। জয় জয় রামকৃষ্ণ অখিলের স্বামী, জয় জয় রামকৃষ্ণ অখিলের স্বামী। জয় জয় গুরু মাতা জগত জননী, জয় জয় দোহাতার যত ভক্তগণ, জয় জয় দোহাতার যত ভক্তগণ। সবার চরণ রেণু মাগে অদম, সবার চরণ রেণু মাগে অদম। নমস্কার, আরও একবার আমরা আপনাদের স্বাগত জানাচ্ছি শ্রী রামকৃষ্ণ এ বায়োগ্রাফি নামক এই সেগমেন্টটিতে। আমরা গত এপিসোডে, আমাদের লাস্ট এপিসোড ছিল, সেই এপিসোডে আমরা চর্চা করেছিলাম দি ফার্স্ট ভিশন অফ গডেস কালী। আমরা সেই এপিসোডটি 3টে সেগমেন্টে করেছিলাম। আজকে আমরা চ্যাপ্টার 3 দি গড ইনটক্সিকেটেড স্টেট, এই চ্যাপ্টারটি আমরা আজকে আপনাদের সঙ্গে আমরা পাঠ করব। এই সেগমেন্টটির ফার্স্ট পার্ট। আমরা এটির আরও 2-1টি পার্টের মধ্যে আমরা এই চ্যাপ্টারটি শেষ করব। আমরা লাস্ট পার্টটি যেটা শেষ করেছিলাম সেটা থেকে একটু জিস্ট বলে দিই, যে আমরা পাঠ করেছিলাম যে তখন ঠাকুর শ্রীরামকৃষ্ণ শ্রী শ্রী মা কালীর প্রথম দেখা পেয়েছিল, এবং আমরা আজকে পাঠ করব তারপরেরটি থেকে চ্যাপ্টার 3 দি গড ইনটক্সিকেটেড স্টেট ফ্রম দি বুক শ্রী রামকৃষ্ণ এ বায়োগ্রাফি written by Swami Nikhilananda Ji Maharaj. Yet this was only a foretaste of the intense experiences to come. The glimpse of the Divine Mother made him the more eager for her in uninterpreted vision. He wanted to see her both in meditation and with her eyes open. But the mother began to play a teasing game of hide and seek with Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansadev, intensifying both his joy and his suffering. Weeping bitterly during the moments of separation from her, he would pass into a trance and then find her standing before him, smiling, talking, consoling, bidding him be of her good cheer and instructing him. So this was few of the moments after Thakur Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansadev have seen Goddess Kali for the first time. We can find in the life of while reading the life of Swami Akhandananda Ji Maharaj, who was one of the direct disciple of Thakur Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansadev, also known as Gangadhar Maharaj. He have also noticed this God intoxicated state when he visited, or when he used to visit regularly to Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansadev. During this period of spiritual practice, he had many uncommon experiences. He sat to meditate. He would hear strange clicking sounds in the joints of a leg, as if someone were locking them up one after the another to keep them motionless. And at the conclusion of his meditation, he would again hear the same sound, that time of unlocking them, leaving him free to move about, like someone is trying to captivate when he was doing meditation. He would see the flashes like a swarm of fireflies floating before his eyes, or a deep sea or a sea of deep mist around him with the luminous waves of molten river. Again, from the sea of translucent mist, he would behold the mother rising, first her feet, then her waist, body, face, and head, and finally her whole person. He would feel her breath and hear her voice. The worshipping in the temple, sometimes he would become exalted, sometimes he would remain motionless as stone, sometimes he would almost collapse from excessive emotion. Many of his actions, and contrary to all tradition, seemed sacrilegious to the people. He would take a flower and touch to its own head, body, feet, and then offer to it to goddess. Or like a drunkard, he would reel to the throne of the mother, touch her chin by way of showing his affection for her, sing, talk, joke, laugh, or dance. Or he would take a morsel of food from the plate, hold it to her mouth, begging her to eat, and would not be satisfied till he was convinced that goddess Kali had really eaten anything. The mother had been put to sleep at night from his own room. He would hear her ascending to the upper story of the temple with the light step of a happy girl, her anklets jingling. Then he would discover her standing with flowing hair, her black which silhouetted against the sky of the night, looking at the Ganges or at the distant light of Kolkata. That time, Calcutta. So this was the first part of the God intoxicated state. Next day we will continue again with the same topic, God intoxicated state, chapter 3, part 2. Today we will end this session by touching the feet of Thakur, Ma and Swamiji, and we will be ending this program with the same pranam mantra taken from the Sri Ram Krishna Puthi that we have started with. Namaskar, Dhanyavad. Jaya Jaya Ramakrishna Pancha Kalpataru, Jaya Jaya Bhagavan Jagatera Guru, Jaya Jaya Ramakrishna Akilero Swami, Jaya Jaya Ramakrishna Akilero Swami, Jaya Jaya Guru Mata